Welcome to in front of me Vivo V23, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here my face recognition, and as can you see I just unlocked the device successfully. Now I'll just change here the settings just to unlock the device directly with my face. So just don't stay on our lock screen after unlocking. So now we can see that I just unlocked the device normally with my face, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device and we will see how fast the switcher is and that it works. So let's start. 1, 2, so as you can see 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock feature works really fast. That's like really good result for the device. We can just unlock the device less than in a couple of seconds, or sorry, not a couple, just a half of seconds. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method on your device. But now I'll just try one more thing here. I just set up the face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll try to wear it then, and we will see does this unlock method will works with my glasses. So as can you see, that's worked perfectly. So just try, I suggest you to try this unlock method that works really fast. If you don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the passcodes, you can try that, but don't just forget that this unlock method is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.